as the gardener plays with the pH of the soil to get the right colour flower, you can play with the pH of your soil, cell, to create different health and sicknesses conditions in the body. Cancer loves acid. The other thing cancer loves is sugar.
The acid-alkaline balance of the body is a central topic in health and wellness discussions. Many studies suggest that a more alkaline environment may help prevent various diseases, including cancer. However, the human body is a complex machine that constantly works to maintain the blood's pH slightly alkaline, between 7.35 and 7.45. Even so, the type of food we eat can influence the cellular environment, sparking interest among nutrition and health experts. Amid these discussions, foods that promote an acidic environment in the body have been associated with the growth of cancer cells. Processed meats, sugary foods, and even modern wheat are among the most cited. These foods, rich in minerals like phosphorus and sulfur, can create favorable conditions for cancer, especially when consumed in excess. However, it is worth remembering that the body has its own mechanisms for handling small pH variations, such as the work of the kidneys and lungs. Even so, diet can play an important role in the acid-alkaline balance, especially in cells. A high intake of meat, for example, not only acidifies the internal environment but can also overload organs like the kidneys. Similarly, excessive consumption of refined sugar creates spikes in acidity, feeding cancer cells that thrive in acidic environments. Moderation and more conscious choices are essential to avoid these harmful effects. Another crucial point is the presence of yeast in the body. When we consume too many fruits or sugars, we may feed fungi that release harmful acids. From this perspective, balancing the diet with less fermentable foods can help control the overgrowth of yeast. Therefore, reducing the intake of sweet fruits and hybridized gluten foods can be a smart strategy for keeping acidity in check. The hybridization of wheat is another controversial issue. Modern wheat, intensely modified, has a much more complex gluten structure than its ancient versions. This change has made wheat a more acid-forming food, contributing to the increase in gluten intolerance and making digestion more difficult. Avoiding the excessive consumption of wheat-based products may be one of the keys to maintaining a more alkaline body and less prone to disease. Additionally, foods like aged cheeses, known for their intense flavor, are also acid-forming. While fresh cheese has a lesser impact on acidity, aged cheeses, rich in yeast, can contribute to pH imbalance. Similarly, beverages containing caffeine, like coffee and sodas, also have this effect, reinforcing the importance of moderation in consumption. Alcohol and tobacco, although not foods, are major culprits in creating an acidic environment in the body. Prolonged consumption of both has harmful effects, not only by acidifying the organism, but also by significantly increasing the risk of cancer. Avoiding these harmful habits is one of the most effective ways to keep the body in balance and preserve health. Finally, the key to a healthy body is balance. It is not about completely eliminating acid-forming foods, but consuming them consciously and in moderation. A diet rich in fresh vegetables, low glycemic fruits, and foods high in alkaline minerals can be the solution for creating a healthier internal environment where cancer finds it harder to thrive.